Let's do a quick review of the wolf with an optional howl. There is one restart. It's on wall 3 after 16 counts. So here's the 32 steps with words. Start on your weight on your left. So we're going to do step to the right, slap our foot, wherever you can slap, your knee, whatever. So right, slap left, left, slap right. Then we triple step to the quarter, a quarter triple step to the right, triple step. Now we need to end up back there over our right shoulder. So we're going to do another triple step, starting with our left, but finishing halfway around. Triple step, right, good. Then we're going to step back, right, and touch, and people get real stylized there. Left and touch, rock, recover, and some wolf dances just do step, step. We usually do a turn, so rock, so this really sets you up. Recover and 2-step turn. Yes, over your left shoulder to the 9 o'clock wall. Okay, let's do that. So we start with our right foot to the right and slapping our left. So right, slap left, left, slap right, quarter triple step and a half triple step. Step back, touch left, step back, touch right, rock, recover and a turn, turn. Yes. Then bunch of variations here as well too. So a lot of people like to do the Charleston there. I don't, my boots stick too much, my feet stick too much. So I just do a rocking chair and a step. Twist, twist, heels twist, or just hips, and then repeat it again. Rocking chair and step. Twist, twist. Then 2 half pivots. Over my left shoulder, again over my left shoulder, and a stomp, stomp, and hips, again, very optional. Lots of choices here. You can do just hips, you can do doubles, but it's stomp, stomp, hips all the way around, ending on the left. So that's it. Let's try it with words. A little bit faster. From the top, the wolf. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, slap, step, slap, quarter triple step, half triple step. Go back, touch, rock, recover, and a turn, turn, and a rocking chair or a Charleston. Rocking chair and a Charleston if you want. Pivot, turn, stomp, stomp, hips all the way around left. So you can start again. Okay, with counts. The wolf. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Go back. 2, 3, 4. Rock, recover, turn, and a Charleston. Or a rocking chair. Twist, twist, and pivot, and stomp, stomp, hips all the way around. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm supposed to do it with counts. Here we go with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That's when you go, ow! Have fun.